Yeah. Look how big this factory is. If it collapses, we are fucked. Trying to clip you guys back on my necklace. Okay, Terry, we got you. Can you hear the workers? Oh, fuck. I just want a coaster here. Whoa. This is crazy. Let me get my video camera back out. Do you see this shit, guys? We are underneath of a fucking building. And this ain't shit. Okay, I'm gonna start paddling. There might be crocodiles in the air. Okay, do you see where we have to go? Yeah? Yep. Or through the side? So through the middle. The middle. Okay, well hurry up because I don't like this. And I don't think our viewers probably think we are fucked up. Straightforward. Yeah. I gotta brush this off over here. Now, fast. Push. Sure, we don't want it to get stuck on here, dude. Push. This didn't happen with me and Jeremy because we went the other way. Come on. Back up. Back up. Come on. 2, 3. 1, 2, foot. 1, 2, 3, foot. Come on. 2. Hold on. Hold on, I'm trying to get this driftboard. Push like you want. Go, Terry. You got us. Don't flip us, dude. This is deep. Okay. All right, come on. A little bit further. Yeah, we did it. Okay, now coast. I started panicking. I started panicking back there.
While looking at